Very happy to inaugurate today this wonderful project, which is a collaboration between the government of Germany, the government of Meghalaya and the village of Shillong, where the people of Shillong have contributed to build this center. It's a center for aquatic biodiversity. Meghalaya has an enormous biodiversity and aquatic is one element of it. And this center is to show people, tourists, travelers, but also Meghalayans, what biodiversity is all about. And I think it's a beautiful building, it's very fancy architecture, but it's very nicely exhibited also. The show is very nice, and it's in front of this little lake, this reservoir, water for Shillong, but you have also lots of fish in the water. So I think it's a wonderful project involving local fishery traditions, involving biodiversity, showing of biodiversity.